Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear second class students, today discuss about subtractions. So here, check the answers and cross them. If they are wrong, put the correct answer in the space provided. See from your workbook, volume 2 workbook. Volume 2 workbook, page number 23. Page number 23 beta. See, this is page number 23. Everybody open. Volume 2 workbook, page number 23. See here. Once again, check the answers and cross them. If they are wrong, put the correct answer in the space provided. See here, first one is, this is hundreds place, tens place, ones place, 899 minus 672. See here, already given 722. So difference is already given 277. So once we can do the subtraction method here. 9 minus 7, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2, you can get 7, correct? So you can count 2 after to reach 9, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 7 write down. Now next, 9 minus 7, 2, that is also correct. We can count 7 after 2 reach 9, 7 after 8, 9. Now next, 8 minus 6, you can get 2, you can count 6 after 2 reach 8, 6 after 7, 8, 2. So then the given answer is correct. Now next one, this is hundreds place, tens place, ones place, 485 minus 223. So once you check it, so the difference is 243. See, once again, check it. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, you can get 2 only better. Here 3 is given. You can count 3 after to reach 5. 3 after 4, 5, how much you can get? 2. So 2 you write down in one's column. Next, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, you can get 6. You can count after 2 to reach 8. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can get 5. Write down in tens column. Now next here, 4 minus 2. So you can count 2 after to reach 4, 2 after 3, 4, so 2. So the actual answer is 252, but here 243 is given, then it is wrong. Then cross it. Now next, here hundreds place, tens place, ones place, 868 minus 433. Here what is given? 534 is given. Once check it. First subtract the digits in ones place. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, you can get 5 only better. You can count 3 after to reach 8. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can get 5. Write down here in one's column. Now next, we subtract the digits in tens place. That is 6 minus 3, you can get 3. 6 minus 3, you can get 3. You can count 3 after to reach 6. 3 after 4, 5, 6. So you can write 3 here. Now 8 minus 4. Subtract the digits in hundreds place. That is 8 minus 4. It is also possible because 8 is more than 4. See, 8 minus 4, you can get 4. See, you can count 4 after to reach 8. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So now 4. Actual difference is 435. This is correct, but 534 is given wrong. Then you can cross it. Now next, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 685 minus 222. First subtract the digits in ones place. What is the difference is given here? 463. Once check it. 5 minus 2, you can get 3. That is correct. Once again write here 3. Next 8 minus 2. This is also correct. 6. See here, we can count 2 after 2 reach 6. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now this is also correct. Now next 6 minus 2, you can get 4. You can count 2 after up to 6. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 463. So the given the difference is correct. Then you can write tick mark. Now next one is 591 minus 410. This is hundreds place, tens place, ones place. So what is the answer? 172. See here. First subtract the digits in ones place. 1 minus 0, you can get 1. But here given 2. This is wrong. Next 9 minus 1, you can get 8, not 7. Now here you can count 1 after to reach 9. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can get 8 fingers right down in tens column. Next 5 minus 4, you can get 1. Actually the difference is 181, but here 172 is given. This is wrong. Then we cross it. Now next one is 457 minus 156. First subtract the digits in ones place. The given difference is 301. Once check it. See here. 7 minus 6, you can get 1. Write down once again. Next 5 minus 5, 0. Write down once again. Next 4 minus 1, you can get 3. Once again write down. See here 301. This is difference is correct. Then you can take right mark. Now next one is 727 minus 142. So the difference is 589 given. Once check it. Actually first subtract the digits in ones place. 7 minus 2, you can get 5. You can count 2 after 2 reach 7. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 write down. Next we subtract the digits in tens place. 2 minus 4 possible beta? Not possible. Take borrowing from 7, it can give 10. 10 is added to 10 plus 2. 10 is added to 2. 10 plus 2, you can get 12 beta. 7, it can last one. 7 becomes a 6. Here 12 minus 4, you can get 8. You can count 4 after up to 12. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 write down in tens column. Next we subtract the digits in hundreds place. 36 minus 1, you can get 5. Actually the difference is 585, but 589 is given. This is wrong. So you can pass it. Now next one, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 369 minus 296. First subtract the digits in ones place. See, the given answer is 111. Once check it. First subtract the digits in ones place. That is 9 minus 6, you can get 3. You can count 6 after to reach 9. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Then you can get 3. Write down in ones column. Now next subtract the digits in tens place. 6 minus 9. Possible? No, not possible because 6 is less than 9. 6 అనేది 9 కంటే చిన్నది. Now what I have to do? Take borrowing from 3. It can give 10. 10 is added to 6. 10 plus 6 you can get 16. So 3 it can last 1. 3 becomes 2. Now here 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 you can get 7. And count 9 after up to 16. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See here how much? 7. 7 write down in tens column. Next 2 minus 2 you can get 0. Actual difference is 73, but here given 111, then cross it. Now next one is this is hundreds place, tens place, ones place. $369 minus 296 here given. See once again later. This is 369 minus 296. You can get 665. No? So here 9 minus 6 you can get 3. Now 16 minus 9 is 7. 2 minus 2 0. Then this is also passage. Now next 567 minus 456. See here 101, 111 given. See here once you take it 7 minus 6 1, 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 4 1. The given difference is also correct. Then you can take right mark. Now next hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 789 minus 91. So 698. See once you check it. First subtract the digits in ones place. So 9 minus 1 you can get 8. So 1 is subtracted from any number, you can get the previous number. 9 minus 1 you can get 8. Next 8 minus 9 possible beta? Not possible because 8 is less than 9. Now take borrowing from 7. So 7 is giving borrow to 8. How much? 10. 10 is added to 8. 10 plus 8 you can get 18. Now 7 it can last 1. 7 becomes 6 here. 18 minus 9 you can get 9. So you can count 9 after to reach 18. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 write down in tens column. Now next, so here the bottom of the column at hundreds place there is no number means here 0. 6 minus 0 means 6. You can add 6 directly. Then 698 is the difference. Then the given answer is correct. Now next one is now next 659 569. So the answer is 190. Once you check it. See here, first subtract the digits in ones place. 9 minus 9, you can get 0. Next 5 minus 6, possible beta? Not possible because 5 is less than 6. Now take borrowing from 6, it can give 10. 10 plus 5, 10 is added to 5, you can get 15. Now 6, it can last 6 becomes 5. Here 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. See here you can count 6 after to reach 15. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 write down in tens column. Now next 5 minus 5 1. No, 5 minus 5 0. The correct answer is 90. But here 190 is given. This is wrong. Then cross it. Now next, 901 minus 109 is equals to 792. Once check it. See here, 1 minus 9 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 0. Here there is no number. So 0 is asking first 100's place. Please give borrow to me. Then 9 is giving borrow to this 10. 10 plus 0 you can get 0. 10. Again this 10 is borrow to this. How much? 10. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 you can get 11. Then here 10 it can last 1. Here 9. 9 it can last 1. Here 8. Did you understand? So once again I can explain, listen carefully. See here, 901 minus 109. So the given answer is 792. See here, first subtract the digits in one's place. That is 1 minus 9 possible, not possible. Then take borrowing from 0. But here there is no number. So first 0 is asking to this number, please borrow me. How much giving? 10 is given. So 10 plus 0, 10. Now here 9 it can last 1, 9 becomes 8. So this is keep behind. Again this 10's place is giving borrow to this number, means 10 is given. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 you can get 11. 10 is giving borrow to 1's place digit, then it can last 1. 10 becomes 9 and here 8, 9 becomes 8. Then subtract the places. See here, 11 minus 9 you can get 2. 9 after you can count 2 fingers. So 9 after 10, 11, 2. Now next 9 minus 0 means you can get 9. Next 8 minus 1 also you can get 7. So you can count 1 after 2 reach 8. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7. 792. So the given answer is also correct. Now next one is Now next one is 811 minus 799. What we get? So just you can get 12. See here, listen. First subtract the digits in one's place. That is 1 minus 9 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from here. So it is giving 10 plus 1 you can get 11. So it can last here 1 becomes 0. See here, 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 you can get 2. So you can count 9 after 2 reach 11. 9 after 10, 11. 2 write down. Next 0 minus 9 possible beta? Not possible. Again take borrowing from 8. So 8 is giving how much? 10. 10 plus 0. These are added to 10. 10 plus 0 you can get 10 beta. Now 8 becomes 7. Then 10 minus 9 you can get 1. So 9 after you can count 1 finger, you will get 10. 9 after 1, 10. So you can write here 1. Next 7 minus 7, 0. So 0, 12 means 12. The given answer is correct. Then write tick mark. Now next 279. 279. 279 minus 197 you can get 82. See, once you check it here, see beta, listen carefully. First subtract the digits in one's place. 9 minus 7 you can get 2. Correct only. Next we subtract the digits in 10's place. 7 minus 9 possible beta, not possible because 7 is less than 9. Take borrowing from 2. So it can give 10. 10 is added to 7. 10 plus 7 you can get 17. 2 it can last on 2 becomes 1. See here, 17 minus 9. So you can count 9 after 2 reach 17. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 write down. Next 1 minus 1 0. So 0 82 means 82. So the given answer is correct. Right, tick mark. Now next here 404 minus 88. 404 minus 88. So what is the answer here? 416 is given. First subtract the digits in ones place. 4 minus 8 possible, not possible. So take borrowing from 0. Here also there is no. Now take borrowing from 4. So 10, 10 plus 0, 10. Again this 10 is giving borrow to this 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 you can get 14. Now 10 it can last 1, 10 becomes 9. 4 it can last 1, 4 becomes 3. See here 14 minus 8, 6. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 plus 1 finger you can get 6. 6 write down. Now next 9 minus 8 you can get 1. This is also correct. But here 3. 3 minus there is no number means you can write 3 directly. 3 minus 0 you can get 3. Actual difference is 316 but here 460 is given. This is wrong. Now next solve the following subtraction. Subtract the numbers. First decide whether you want to subtract the number on the top from the ones given below or other way around. See here. See here. Subtract 47. So first one is 72. Second one is 71. Next one 68. You can do rough work. Next 93. See here. Then you can write here 72 minus 47. So 47 is subtracted from 72. Then it can be written as 72 minus 47. So you can do rough work this here only. 72 minus 47. See here first subtract the digits in ones place. 2 minus 7. Possible better, not possible. Take borrowing from here. How much given? 10. 10 is added to 2. You can get 12. Right? Directly. So 7, it can last 1. 7 becomes 6. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7. 7 after you can count to reach 12. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can get 5. Again 6 minus 4 you can get to 2. You can count 4 after to reach 6. 4 after 5, 6, 2. So 25 write down here. So 72 minus 47 you can get 25. Do rough work compulsory. 72 minus 47 is equals to 25. So now next one is 71 minus 47. You can do rough work. 71 minus 47. 1 minus 7 not possible. Take borrowing. 10. 10 is added to 1. 10 plus 1, 11. Cut it. 7 becomes 6. 11 minus 7 you can get 4. You can count 7 after up to 11. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can get 4. Now 6 minus 4 you can get 24. 71 minus 47 you can get 24. Write down everybody. 71 minus 47 you can get 24. Next one is 68 minus 47. 68 minus 47. 8 minus 7, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. So you can get 21. Next one is 93 minus 47. 93 minus 47. 3 minus 7 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 9. You can use 10. 10 is added to 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 9 it can last for 9 becomes 8. 13 minus 7. You can count 7 after 2 reach 13. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6. Next 8 minus 4 you can get to 2. So 26. Then you can write it here 93 minus 47 . Now next subtract 13. See here 88, 65, 70, 21. See here 88 minus 13. 88 minus 13. 8 minus 3 you can get 5. 8 minus 1 you can get 7. 75. Next 65 minus 13. 65 minus 13. 5 minus 3 you can get 2. 6 minus 1 you can get 5. 52. Next 70 minus 13. 70 minus 13. See here 70 minus 13. 0 minus 3 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 7 it can give 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 7 it can last 1. 7 becomes 6. 10 minus 3, you can get 7. 6 minus 1, you can get 5. So 57. Next, 21 minus 13. One minus 13. See here, 1 minus 3 possible beta, not possible. Take borrowing from 2, it can give 10. 10 is added to 1, 11, 2, it can also 2 becomes 1. 11 minus 3, you can get 8. Count 3 after. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8. Now 1 minus 1, 0. 0, 8 means you can write it here 8. Write down everybody. $88 minus 13, you can get 75. 65 minus 13, you can get 52. 70 minus 13, you can get 57. 21 minus 13, you can get 8. Everybody write down by saying blackboards. Okay, thank you beta. Your class is completed.